Welcome to Entry and Exit, your go-to channel for stock market technical analysis. An experienced trader with a passion for analyzing the stock market. In this series, we will be diving deep into the world of technical analysis and learning how to use different tools and strategies to make better investment decisions. Today, we're going to start with the basics. What is technical analysis and why is it important? Technical analysis is the study of historical market data, primarily price and volume, to identify patterns and make trading decisions. Technical analysis is often used in conjunction with fundamental analysis, which looks at a company's financial and economic fundamentals to make investment decisions. However, technical analysis can provide a different perspective and can be particularly useful in identifying short-term price movements. In this series, we will be covering a wide range of technical analysis tools and strategies, from candlestick charting to moving averages, support and resistance levels, and trend lines. We will also be discussing different types of trading, such as swing trading, day trading, and scalping, and how to use technical analysis in each of them. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this series is for you. Join me as we explore the world of technical analysis and learn how to make better investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and see you in the next video.